organic, and you'll see this a lot of times, especially if you're in your garden center, you'll see the regular seeds and then you'll see the organic seeds, and it says certified USDA organic or certified organic, what have you.
Not just a sticker.
Not just a sticker. So organic seeds can be any combination of seed that was grown under organic conditions and certified by usually USDA. And that's pretty much it. I shouldn't say that's it. It's not like it's an easy process for gardeners.
A lot of paperwork, a lot of certification that's required to get these seeds to be able to be labeled that.
But it doesn't mean that they're any better or worse than any other seeds. It's just basically a certification. But
now, certified organic, these seeds, as you said, have been monitored basically by the Department of the USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, and for people whom are growing plants in order to save with this certification, the fields have to be a certain proper. They have to get soil tests, make sure there's no chemicals there. Even if the farmer or gardener uses a liquid inorganic fertilizer or plant food that many people use, that's a miracle and it's green or pink or blue, that can throw it off and it's no longer certified. So specific feedings or fertilizers also have to be certified in order for it to be all goody-goody.
All organic, yeah, absolutely. And that's something to keep in mind when you're seeing that buzzword organic.
Right.